And welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to disable this green dot that will be on the top right of the screen when I open camera or when I talk to someone and etc. Okay, without further ado, let's fix it. Go to settings and make sure that developer mode is enabled. You can enable it right this way. Go to software information and click on the build number until you see that that developer mode is turned on. Okay, now go to developer options. In the developer options, scroll down until you see quick settings, sensors off. Now, as you see, I have sensors off option right here at the top of of the screen.
As you can see now, my microphone is muted and I need to continue this way. As you can see also, I can't open the camera, so it means that we muted all the sensors, which include the microphone as well. As you can see, you can see, but I'm recording this after in the edit. And yeah, that's it. The green dot is not there, but all your other sensors are also not there. Bye.